Hey, stop scrolling. Acustica Audio just dropped a plugin for free, but it disappears soon. This is Cinnabar. It is a perfectly transparent gain trim utility, zero coloration, zero phase shift, zero harmonic distortion, just pure clean gain control. Did you see that? You can't hear the difference because there isn't one, and that is the whole point. Perfect for gain staging, level matching, A/B testing, etc. But here is the catch. This is a limited time freebie. As we all know, Acustica Audio doesn't do this often. Usually, this will run you into some amount of dollars, but right now it is being offered for 100% free. So guys, the link will be in the description. Go grab Cinnabar before it goes paid. And tag me if you get it. Let's see who moves fast. And I know what you are thinking. I already have a trim plugin. Yeah, but does yours have Autogain? Cinnabar automatically compensates level, so you can actually hear what your processing is doing and not just the volume change. And this to me is a game changer for mixing. Alright guys, to get this plugin running, all you need to do is to use the link in the description, which will bring you here, and copy this code, then create an account if you don't have an account already with them. Once that is done, download and install CoinxDaProducer. If you already have it, just run CoinxDaProducer application and log in using your username, email and password. Then after that, you click on the settings icon and select the activation tab. Insert your activation code and click on apply button. Go to the purchased section in CoinxDaProducer and scroll down until you find your plugin. Select the correct plugin format. From the drop down menu, click on install to download, install and authorize the product. This is CoinxDaProducer, so head over to settings, and on settings you will see this particular one. Click on that. This will open. Come over to activations. Now this is the place you type in your code. All right, you paste it. I've already done that. Once that is done, click apply. Then it will take you to a page like this where you see the plugin. As you can see, I've already installed and authorized mine. But if you did not see that, simply come over here and search for Cinnabar. Alright, then install and activate, and that is it. Then after that, you come over to your door, rescan, you will have it running just like this. Alright, and that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, most importantly turn on your bell notification for more contents like this. If you want to check out 6 free tools I will recommend you start using, plus one interesting, unique AI music generator plugin, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now, and I'll see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.